All right, hello, my fellow investors. It's the Intelligent Investor here, and in today's video, we're going to be giving you an update on AMC, GME, and Nokia. So before we start the video, guys, use the link in the description down below to sign up with Acorns. Now, once you sign up with Acorns, you're going to be entered to win a free stock, and that free stock is a Lockheed Martin. Now, this is a $343 stock, huge blue chip, and pays a great dividend. So it's a stock that you guys want and you want to keep long term. So also, once we hit 6,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing another stock giveaway, and this stock will be Apple. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and you'll be notified when we do this stock giveaway. All right, guys, so let's jump to the video. Now, today we are talking about GameStop and AMC. Now, first of all, I got to say, people didn't believe in us where these stocks were going to start shooting up, okay? And I'm going back through all the comments before where all these people were saying, hey, you are stupid. You're giving out bad information. You don't know what you're talking about. This stock is going to go to $3 and die out. Same thing with GameStop. They're like, you're an idiot. You're going to lose all your money. And this stock is going to collapse and go out of business. And I'm pinning those comments now. So, you know, I've noticed that a lot of these people that were talking bad about us are people that ended up selling out and thought that they were going to collapse and saw all their money come down, and they didn't have patience to wait out for it. And they're just feeling bad that we're getting our money back and more, and they sold out of it. So, I mean, it sucks, and it's bad. I'm not trying to make fun of these people, but, I mean, they come to me and they talk bad and they start saying bad things, and I'm like, well, I mean, I know about the market. If you guys follow the numbers, then you know that these stocks were going to bounce back. So, you know, again, AMC is getting about $14. I mean, if you guys were jumping into it, some people jumped into it back when it was at 5. I jumped into it when it was at 9, and then I averaged down all the way to about 5.75, and now we're more than doubling our money. Now, what I did with AMC and GameStop, I did sell out of some of it. I locked in my initial profit, okay? So GameStop, once they hit 350-ish, I sold a lot of it and locked in some profit and got some new profit. And when it dropped back down to 198, when it locked up for a bit, I bought more. So same thing with AMC. AMC, I invested my initial investment and sold out of it so I can make that money back. And now I'm investing money that is just profit. So like that, if I lose it all, then I don't worry about anything. Now, GameStop is a bigger risk than AMC. Okay, why is that? Because GameStop is super, super inflated. And yeah, it's heavily up. This stock is not close to worth this amount. And we know that. You know, this is because hedge funds are jumping into it. This is because all the big names are jumping into it. So if you see, this stock is slowly moving up. And you have to understand what happened here is that hedge funds jumped into it and then sold off to make a quick profit. And that's going to probably be happening until the squeeze is over. So don't think that this is going to constantly happen. GameStop is eventually going to come down and break back down to the $30-ish, $40 mark. People start selling off. It's going to drop down back to $20, $10. Again, that's most likely going to happen. So just be careful with your money. Okay. Now, I know people wanted to hit about 1,000, and it's very, very, very possible. But it's hard now because, like I said, big corporations are jumping into it. And because of that, they're buying huge shares. So, like, let's say I'm a big corporation. I'm a big fund manager. I'm like, all right, I'm going to buy this stock at, let's say, 200. When it was at 200, I'm going to buy, you know, let's say 20 million shares. I buy 20 million shares. Stock quickly shoots up. Now I have those 20 million shares, right? And it keeps growing and growing to this price, or let's say it hits 300 and that's my target price. I sell it off, boom, it collapses. Now who's buying those huge amount of shares? The hedge funds that need to recover that money back, that need to recover the squeezes, the ones that are causing the squeeze, right? The shortages. So 20 million shares are being sold right away. And who's expecting that buy? The hedge funds that are shorted. So they're going to kind of recover a lot of that money back. So it's going to be hard for GameStop to hit 1,000. But again, it's very possible. But it's going to be really hard now because, like I said, a lot of big money people are jumping into it. And they're all in it to make money. Not just us. They are too. So AMC is a little bit safer. Now AMC's target, and wow, let's see if it hits $14. Come on, hit $14. It's just kind of funny if it does hit 14. Come on. All right, we'll just pay attention to it here. But yeah, I mean, look at it. AMC's hitting back 14. That's a price that we didn't think it was going to hit again for a while. But our main target price is $20, and that's without it squeezing, okay? So AMC, it's opening up theaters again. And as you see, it had its downturn here, but it's slowly going to start recovering. And once, you know, theaters start opening up like they are here in California, crappy state, by the way, and horrible governor, yeah, like, they're going to start making profits. Theaters are opening up everywhere. So AMC has survived this, and they'll probably be making profits this year, hopefully. And if they do, the stock will hit back to about $17, $18, maybe $20. And by the time they squeeze, they can hit up even higher. So, you know, AMC has still potential to hit its target price and more. So we say, yeah, AMC squeezed a bit, but they have so much more potential because of the price. Yes, $14. And yeah, guys, like, that's something you guys have to see, that AMC can easily hit about $20 and stabilize around $17, $18. And if it does have to squeeze, then it can hit even more than that. But AMC hasn't really squoze yet because there hasn't been a huge jump. Now, there has been big buys, but there hasn't been huge jumps. And that's one thing you guys have to know. Volume is at 94 million now, and we're still early in. So that's insane. Nokia, got to check Nokia out. Sorry. As you see, it's at 433, so it's recovered. I did buy this around $5, so I did average down to about 460. And yeah, so I'm slowly recovering some of my money there, but it's been a while. And like I said, guys, it's all about patience here. And that's a lot of things that people don't have. They don't have patience. So, like I said, we were patient. We stood our ground, and we locked in profits. We're making more than double our money if you guys bought at a lower price, or if you guys bought, which a lot of people did buy at 13, 14, you guys have received your money back. So that's the best part about this, guys. Now, one thing I want to say is be careful, because once you get your stimulus check, do not dump your money in. And like I said in a previous video, I wouldn't recommend you guys dumping all your money in when you get your $1,200 stimulus check. Why? Because this is what the hedge funds are expecting. For me, when I used to work back there, this is what we expected. Okay, when there was a huge dump of money in the market, that's when we were happy, because stocks got inflated, we sold out, and then they panic sold. So be careful, be patient. Stocks are probably most likely going to come down, because they know that the market, as you see, we had a strong week. Stocks just kept going up and up and up and up and up and up and up this whole week. So understand that stocks are inflated again. And they know that stimulus checks are coming in, that people are going to dump money in there. And once that happens, they're going to lock in profits, sell out, and boom, market's going to come back down again. So just be careful, be patient, and like I say, wait out your money and then jump in at the right time. So guys, watch my previous video talking about how to thrive in a market crash. And trust me, guys, you guys are going to love that. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys did like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys on the next video.